శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 522nd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 38th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Bhishma Pitamaha disclosing the glory of Sri Krishna Avataram to Dharmaraju, saying like this, O Dharmaja, when Krishna Paramatma appeared in front of all those girls who were abducted and put under the custody by Narakasura, all of them came running towards Krishna Paramatma and praying like this, O Purushottama. We were told by Narada Maharshi. What did he say? He said, in order to fulfill all the desires of Devatas, Sakshat Paramatma Sriman Narayana Govinda comes down and he kills Narakasura, Nisambha, Murasura, Hayagriva, Panchajana, and soon he will come and release all of you. Like that, Narada Maharshi said, Hey Bhagavan, ever since then we have been thinking about you and observing very severe austerity, tapasya. O Paramatma, you please accept all of us and marry all of us in the process of Gandharva Vidhi. And even Vayudeva also told us that whatever Narada Maharshi told us will be definitely fulfilled. Like that, all those girls looking at Krishna Paramatma, thinking and visualizing as if he is Gopala and associated with so many cows. But he is there with so many devatas. So these girls are visualizing, picturizing Krishna as Gopala. And Krishna Paramatma's divine face is glowing like full moon. By seeing him with so much of happiness, all these girls continuously saying like this, O Paramatma, what Narada Maharshi told us is, Vishnur Narayano Devaha Shankha Chakra Gada Sidhruk Sabhaumam Narakam Hatva Bhartavo Bhavitakhyataha. Paramatma Sriman Narayana, who wears Shankha Chakra Gada Khadgas, will come down and kill Narakasura and will become husband to all of you. That is what Narada Maharshi told us. Like that, all these girls praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.